Hello everyone, I'm David Saint-Jacques, Canadian Space Agency astronaut, speaking to you from the Columbus module of the International Space Station. Today, I'd like to send you all a big thank you on behalf of the European Space Agency for taking part in the 2018-2019 European AstroPie Challenge Mission Space Lab. I know that you've been working very hard for the past few months on interesting experiments, the two special computers that we have here in space, the AstroPies. Once again, we received excellent submissions, which made it extremely difficult to choose the best to be run on ISS. We are very impressed by the original ideas and experiments that you all continue to create. I want to congratulate all the teams that submitted their Python code for the challenge and who have made it this far. The experiments selected for this year's competition will soon be uplinked to Ed and Izzy, the AstroPie computers, here on board the ISS. Ed and Izzy were able to get plenty of practice during Mission 0, and their onboard sensors and cameras are in perfect working order to help you investigate life here inside the ISS and down on Earth. Once all the programs have run, the data that was collected will be downlinked to Earth and distributed to the teams. You will then have the chance to work like real scientists and analyze the data collected by your own space experiments. You can then write your very own scientific report on what you found out and send it to the scientists at ESA and CSA. The best reports will be selected, and the winners will receive a special prize. Once again, congratulations to all the students and teachers in Europe and Canada that are participating in the program. I look forward to reading your reports and seeing the results you were able to get. Bye-bye.